colorful. So even though I'm going to stick with this style temporarily, let's look at the inner HTML way of doing this next thing. So forget the paragraph and the append child. How would I set the color of this paragraph if I wanted to just use inner HTML to do it? Anybody know? So .style.color if we're using JavaScript. There's a style property on DOM elements. If you're just doing it inside the inner HTML, there's a style attribute. And you can put CSS rules inside there. Color, blue. Like that. It's blue. Yeah, it does. It still doesn't actually matter, but I prefer to use double quotes inside HTML, and that's what this string contains. Yeah. So we could do that. We don't, of course, want to just hard code the color, though. We want it to come from the form, right? Let's add it to the form. We have name and age. Let's add another one. A paragraph, inside the paragraph, a label. For, let's call this favorite color. And we'll put an input with a name of favorite color, make it match the label for the sake of accessibility with assistive technology. Also makes it a little easier for sighted people under certain circumstances. And we have type equals text here. Wouldn't it be really neat if HTML5 gave us a type of color? Who knows? Let's see what happens. Get excited. Oh, look at that. Oh, shucks. Oh, yeah. So it'll use your operating system's color picker. And this is up to browser support again, but it's supported in a lot of current browsers, including Chrome. Pretty nifty. So now we can select a color. Instead of typing it like some kind of animal, how do you suppose we get it out of the form? You know. Let's just say const color equals f dot favorite color dot value. Instead of putting blue there, put color. Name. Yeah, Zach. Age. 74. Favorite color. What's your favorite color? Orange. Lovely. Go. Oh, look. It's orange. If we want to print that out. Name, age. Let's just throw color in there. Z. Orange. Yeah. Hash FF8000, just like he said. So this is a hex code. That's how it's going to submit it. So the first two digits are the red value. Second two digits are the green value. The last two digits are the blue value, RGB. So a two-digit hexadecimal number that would give you 256 possible values, 0 through 255. That's how that works. Doesn't print particularly well, but hey, we got our color. If we were doing the inner HTML way anymore, which we aren't, right? We're cool kids. We use create element and append child. So Mia, how do we do it now? You said it earlier.
Style.com.
So here's our paragraph, right? We set the text content. We can also set its style, p.style. And then dot and any of the CSS properties, such as color. Just set that to our variable color, which came from the form. Mia. Don't take it personally. What's your favorite color? Purple. Mia. And it's purple. What if we want to do the background color instead? So in this style, inside the style attribute, you use the same thing you would use in CSS. And in CSS, multi-worded things are dashed. So background color like this. In JavaScript, we camel case the property names. So it is p.style.background color camel case like that, except with the D there. Try again. Sebastian with an E? A-N. A-N. Darn. What's your favorite color?
Green.
I knew you were going to say that. I knew he was going to say that. Okay, so we start with black and we just make it a little, yeah, about like that. Yay! It works. If we had another person, like old Nick, do you put N-I-C-K or just N-I-C? N-I-C-K. Got a favorite color? Darker gray. Now each one can have its own. Oh man. Let's see. Who haven't I pestered? Oh, Ryan. Like not even here. Again, don't take it personally. Hey, Ryan.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Feedy. What's your favorite color? Sorry. Blue. Yay. It works. Very nice. Super mega bonus credit hyper fighting.
So on the style, is there a way to have both background and text color change at the same time?
Sure.
So you just added them.
P.style.color. Yep.
Then you could just keep adding them.
Yep. Totally. I like it. Display stats in the person's favorite color. So beautiful. Questions about that?
Can I see the HTML for like the color selector that you did for the type?
Yep, just type color. Yep. Piece of cake. Yeah.
So
Keith.
FN just puts it on the end,
Mm-hmm.
and then what would you use to put it in front?
Ho, 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 ho. Tricky. Wouldn't it be nice if there were a prepend child? Yes, it would be nice, but there isn't. There is, if you look it up in the docs, there is prepend. DOM, prepend. But there's also a big fat warning. This is an experimental technology. It's not actually part of the standard yet, so check the compatibility table for usage. No support in Internet Explorer or Edge or most mobile browsers. So It's not well supported just yet. So, yeah. Unfortunately, it's not quite that simple. There's insert before, and we will go over that probably tomorrow. It makes it way harder than it has to be, but that's the answer.
Because the way I was doing it before to have individual colors on everything
Uh-huh.
was using just inner HTML rather than this, and I had to do like prevent in essence.
Why?
So I would then go through and select the first paragraph element.
Oh, I see.
Set its color.
But now you know you could also just put a style attribute on there, right? Groovy.